Hello, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing or opening this big old box. I'm glad to see my package came very well wrapped in that big box and with all those air plastic protectors. I'm really happy. It comes in really good condition, and this is what I got. I am I am a happy owner of a Dyson Supersonic hair dryer. I've been wanting this for years, and this was on a special on Nordstrom. On this specific product is a package. It comes with the, I think, with the dryer and all the styling tools. We're gonna open it right now and see what else comes inside, and we're gonna try and see if it works. For the purchase of the Dyson Supersonic Nordstrom, they were giving a beauty sample. So I have the box here. They always send the box separately. And we're gonna open it and see what is inside. Look at this. I think it's called Vinca Blue. Let's see what is inside this gift set. Oh my God. I'm glad to see it's well packed. Wow, this is a really nice gift set packaging. Really nice. Nice. And the box is kind of velvety, very soft. It's black from the bottom and it's velvety. And on top of the box is the logo of Dyson. Really nice gift set. This is this will make an excellent gift for for any occasion. This is the cut. This is how it looks like in the box. It has the 3 attachments here. 1, 2, 3, and the dryer. The dryer. I'm gonna name this thing soon. This looks like a Dyson vacuum. This is gonna be the dryer. Wow. This really looks like my Dyson vacuum. Remaining accessories. What else? I think it's one more. Wanna open it? And in the very bottom of the box, it comes instructions. A scan to unlock your exclusive benefit. I will need to see what are my benefits. User manual and machine registration brochure. Ground fault circuit interrupters. Information about the vacuum. the hair dryer. Our mission is simple, solve the problems others ignore. I think this is the complete manual. Yeah, it's the manual. Let's check this out. Oh yeah, this is the comb. Oh, I like this. But I have so little hair. Let's see if we have everything according to the manual. The white tooth comb, yeah, is this. I don't know if this will, I really like the idea of this, but I don't know if it will work in my fine hair. I have so little hair and it's still falling. So I'm gonna have to try and see if it works. I'm gonna try this right now. Oh my God. The styling concentrator is this. A styling concentrator, fast, precise airflow for controlling the styling one section at a time. I like that. The next one, flyaway attachment, is this. For a smooth finish, attracts longer hair and hides flyaway. This is for longer hair. Using the Kuanda effect. We need to see what the Kuanda effect is. Now we have the diffuser. Diffuser simulates natural drying to help reduce frizz and define curls, coils, and waves. Oh, the last piece on this device is gentle air attachment. So it's this gentle air attachment. Evenly diffuses in a smooth airflow, so it's gentler on the scalp. Oh, I think this will work good for me. I really like this Dyson. And of course, we have the hair dryer. I like that it's very soft to the touch and the handle is very practical and soft and it's not that thick like some other hair dryers. I think the handle is perfectly ergonomic. Get to know your hair dryer. The temperature control, the airflow control, the power button on, off, the one on top. The cold shot. And you can remove the filter here. Oh wow. And like I said before, the red button is the temperature control here, and the airflow is this. And what else we have? The attachments are magnetic. Let's see. I'm gonna try this. Ooh, yes. I like that. The attachments are magnetic. Ooh, this is cool. Ooh, this is a very fun toy for me. Oh, wow. Now what else it says? Magnetic attachment for easy rotation and fitting during styling. Heat shield technology keep the surface of your styling attachments cool. We are going to connect this to see how it works. Ooh. Oh wow, it's very smooth. Okay, I really like this machine. Smoking. He's smoking since it's new. Wow, this is very powerful. Okay, now we have the cool air. Well, that's the idea. I have my hair dry, so I'm gonna have to try it with my hair wet. I don't think all these accessories going to work for me since I have very little hair and it's short and it's very thin. I really don't know, but I need to see videos on how all these accessories work so I can take advantage of most as I can. Like I mentioned before, this gift set is not available in Nordstrom. I bought it at Nordstrom, but I think you can find it on Neiman Marcus or in the Dyson website. I will probably do another video like a get ready with me, and I'm going to do my hair, like my hair and makeup, or just only my hair. But I am going to first explore some videos on how to use the accessories that come with this machine. I am liking this machine a lot. It's very powerful. I like the handle that is a very ergonomic, and I really like everything about it. This is the cord. I forgot to show you the cord. The cord is very long. I don't know how long it is, but it is really long and I'm happy. And I think this is the transformer and the energy. I don't know. Yeah, I think this helps regulate the energy that comes to the machine. And ooh, I like it because if I go to El Salvador, if I go to another country, this will help regulate the energy. Oh, wow, I like it. Well, according to the research I just did, the cord of the dryer is about between 8 to 9 or 10 feet long. I cannot tell you how long exactly this is because I will have to measure it myself and I don't have the measuring tape right now. But for sure it's between 8 to 10 feet. I would say maybe 8 feet because I couldn't find the exact length of this cord, but it's long and I like it. Let's go to the beauty samples. Clear the Pore Cleansing Softening Cleansing Foam. And this was a gift for the purchase of the Dyson. Fortuna Skin. I don't know, is this a cream or face cream or yeah. Crema regenerante de noche renovadora. I think this is a night cream for facial night cream. Fortuna Skin. We also have this Henry Rose. Let's see. Oh, these are two fragrance samples. One is Henry Rose Eau de Parfum Queens and Monsters. Oh, I would like to try this. This is called Char and this is called Queens and Monster. These are two fragrance samples. We also have here a botanical deodorant. Oh yeah, I wanna try this. This is this an oil? Yeah, moisturizing renewal oil from Revive or Revive. Lip filler. Plumping technology ourselves. This is a lip filler. I am not sure if it's a lip balm or is, well, I don't know. We'll try. This is the Dior Maximizer Mascara Base. Also, we have a Magic Night Cream from Charlotte Tilbury. This is Fresh Kombucha Facial Treatment Essence. This is big. This is from Costa Brazil. Serum for face, or facial serum. This is a good size. Ooh, I like this mini thing. From this brand, Osea. This is a facial cream. Oh wow, this doesn't have a cap. It's nowhere to be found. And it was a caudalie, I think, yeah, this was a night cream. And I say it was because it doesn't have the cap and it already doesn't have any product left, just a little. And then we have a sample of this Jo Malone London English Pear and Freesia. I have this fragrance. And the last thing we have here is this Bio Effect EGF serum. I don't know if this is a serum for face. Yeah, apply to face. That's it. This is it. I like it. I like to receive samples because if you don't know of a product and if you like it, you can buy it later. Like this deodorant. I'm very interested in this deodorant. It said it's natural, organic, and since I don't wear deodorant most of the year, I think that's a good option for me. Well, and that's it for this video. If you like my video, don't forget to press the like button. If you like my content, subscribe to my channel. And if you subscribe and you don't want to miss any video, don't forget to press all notifications so you can receive a notification when I upload a new video. I'm really happy with my Dyson. Yay! See you next time. Bye!
The command effect is the tendency for a fast-moving jet of air traveling over a surface to attach to that surface. But then even if the surface is curving away, the jet of air will attach and follow that. We wanted to use the command effect style here,